Okay. And you can plot gas recovery factor, for example, simulation, gas recovery factor. We can achieve recovery factor of 42, but prediction, gas recovery factor, you can see we can increase the recovery factor to around 45. Okay. And maybe lastly, if we change the wellhead pressure, go back to production prediction, production constraints. If I change the wellhead pressure, for example, I change in the year, for example, 1995. I lower down the wellhead pressure to optimize the production to 500, for example. Okay, click done, prediction, run prediction, calculate. What will happen? Now you can see the gas recovery factor is increased significantly to 94. You can see if you lower down the wellhead pressure, you can increase the gas rate. Plot, you can see. That's why if you want to extend the production, then the wellhead pressure should be lowered down to minimize the back pressure. So you can see this is the recovery factor of 45. But if you lower down the manifold pressure, if you lower down the wellhead pressure, you can enhance the production and the recovery factor can achieve 95 with only one well. And what about the gas rate? Simulation, select the gas rate, average gas rate, this one, and go to prediction or forecasting gas rate, this one. So you can see if I lower down the wellhead pressure, the production increase significantly here, up to almost 30 million standard cubic feet per day. But of course, the production will decline again. Okay, so this is the simulation. This is the MBAL simulation. Very, very easy. If you have the data, you can exercise. So to recap, in this exercise, we have done PVT matching. One thing very important, PVT matching. We create the gas reservoir. We perform analytical history matching. We perform aquifer influx modeling, water influx modeling. We perform graphical method history matching. We create the drive mechanism plot. We perform simulation to do the history matching. We have done the fractional flow matching. We create a well. We create the IPR. We create the VLP. We predict the gas rate using this feature. And then we have done the forecasting, and we have also done optimization. By decreasing, by lowering down the wellhead pressure, you can extend, you can enhance the gas production. All right, so I hope everything is clear. You can get the recording, you can check the video again, and you can learn it by yourself. If we have another opportunity in the future, we can exercise oil reservoir, and maybe we can also exercise Prosper again, and also gap simulation. Okay, so I think this is from my side, and we can have Q&A session. Thank you.